welcome back to another Frankly DIY. So in this episode, I'm changing out the air filter. Okay, so the air filter is a pretty integral part of your motor. So I'm doing this short video of a quick change out, very simple process. But the telltale signs of a bad filter needs to be changed is your idle is going up and down. When your engine's idling, it can be as simple as a dirty clogged filter. Okay, so let's get cracking. Okay, so this is the Mercedes Sprinter 208 CDI. Now this goes for any car with your air filter. You'll have an air box, okay, which will have clips on it, more often than not. You need to pop off the clips, take out your pipe depending on your car, just to get access to your filter. Pretty simple process. I've chosen JS for this. Okay, so let's get into it. Right, so we need to pop off the vacuum. Okay, we need to take off the heat plate, pop the clips here, take this circular clip off as well. Okay. Okay, well, I can already tell that this filter looks a bit dirty. Okay, so I've been having problems with the idle going up and down on the engine. Okay, let's take this out. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, so I'll have a look inside. There's some dirt there and stuff. Alright, you might be clogged up with leaves, so best thing to do, take a hoover it out before you put a new filter in. Okay? Just pop it in the way you took it out. Alright, make sure it's sitting in correctly. Pop your cover back in. Okay, it's as simple as that. So as you can see, very dirty filter. Okay, very important, change your filter out. It can cause you all sorts of problems and you might be second guessing going, oh, what's wrong with the engine? So in this one, it was idling up and down. You can hear a little bit of it like that. Alright, so it was full of shite in there. Okay, change out the filter. Job done. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.